How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. So, around 17 years ago, my friend and we start a racing club. We used to race pretty much every Friday, Saturdays. For those that live here in Georgia, we get together at the BP station on Pleasant Hill. Very famous place. We used to race all the time. We used to do a lot of crazy stuff back in the day. So I still have my friend, but he became a millionaire. He opened his own business, and then now he has multiple businesses. When you are a millionaire, you have a lot of things on your mind. Then I remember that about that time, we started the club, and we decided to name that club Bullets. I still have pictures. I'm gonna put them somewhere on this video. With the bullets, my car, my brothers, where I used to have my Eclipse, my brother's Eclipse. Then I have my Mustang. Then my friend used to have a Honda Accord. I believe it was like 96, something like that. I get pulled over on that car racing. I was driving. I went to jail. A lot of things happened. So after a few years of doing all that crazy stuff, everybody just started doing their own thing. But for me, I decided to keep that name, Bullet. So that's why I'm Bullet Solano. I have a banner coming really soon for the car. It's gonna be here on the windshield. It's gonna be Bullet Solano because I'm almost done on finishing the car, and I'm about to show you what I've done so far. So now let me show you what I've done to the car so far, and we have here the new Accord 2.0. With that being said, guys, just remember, be careful who you call ugly on high school. Let me present to you the Accord 2.0. If you can see, the wrap is done, and I was rushing myself because I'm so desperate. In the last episode, I told you that it was gonna take me a couple weeks to present the new Accord, but like right now, I'm just waiting for the banner. I really pushed myself 2 days ago, and yesterday, and this morning, and I barely finished the car. And this is the new Accord 2.0. So right now I had some difficulties. I was gonna order new rims, a whole new set, but life happens. I couldn't order that, so that's gonna have to wait for the future. She's all done. She looks beautiful right now, all black and black. I don't know if I'm gonna put the roof rack back on it. So if you see, I left the calipers green. But I was gonna paint it black. I was gonna black out this car. Now let me show you what I did on the engine, because like I said, this is the Accord 2.0, and let me present to you the new engine bay. What do you guys think? Everything else stayed the same. This is a new setup, guys. Look at that. This car looks amazing. So yeah, I just finished all that this morning. I was gonna wait for like at least a couple weeks to paint the calipers, to get the new banner and get everything out ready, and at least clean the car, but I couldn't wait. I'm really desperate to I want to get the things done like right now. So there you have it, guys. This is the new setup. Everything, I'm changing the color again. Like back in the day, my Mitsubishi Eclipse was black on black on black. Everything was black on it. Tell me, guys, what you think about the new setup. I still had to change some stuff, like I said, but because I'm desperate, I decided to bring this to you today. Super excited about this new setup, guys. I remember that some people said on the comments like, stop painting stuff, but because it's not coming out of your pocket, I'm gonna keep doing whatever I feel like doing. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.